Well, it turned out it didn't rain today. So Lucas and I came out and he started priming and I did a lot of caulking, and you can see all the front is ready to go. And I decided last time that I was going to do this so that these are solid here. You don't want bugs going in there, plus it's just better for the paint. You don't have areas for moisture to get in. So it is taking quite a bit of caulking. I think I used 4 or 5 tubes today. This side is all ready to go. All ready for priming, that is. And then I made it around and did not half of the back, but maybe at least 1/3 of the back is ready for primer. So it's looking good. Everything's going to be good and sealed. We'll be able to come out and do some priming. He cut some cardboard, so we're putting that over the rocks here so we don't get primer on them. Primer's pretty loose, it's not very thick, so it's pretty easy to drip and stuff. So it's going to look great. And then I'm going to stop and pick up the color this week. Well, I have one of the gallons already. I'm going to get another gallon. And then we have to decide what other colors go into this. So that will be exciting. Okay, let's call it a day.